Hello everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And what a wonderful day it is for us who are bullish on this market. Inside the Discord, you know, those trades that I posted on the IWM obviously took some time to play out. We entered it probably mid-June, and now we're getting paid mid-July. And what a move it has been. And I am still inside my position. I have not sold my position. I still think there is more upside to come. Even though as far and as extended as it may seem, this market, the small caps can go higher. Now we are creating a significant divergence here, which means we should be coming to an end at one point, and we'll get a pullback in a wave 4 and then another high, and that'll be the end of the third wave. So that's the really impulsive move. Once that's finished, then we'll get another 4 and a 5. That'll be the end of the third wave here, and another 4 and another 5. So that's what I see here coming for the IWM. Again, my target is 260. It may seem unrealistic and delusional to you right now, but again, these price targets for the SPY and the triple Qs also seem delusional when we were down here, right? I said we were most likely going to extend higher. And guess what? The triple Qs continue to push higher and impulse like crazy. So again, now we're getting a bit of a cool off in the tech sector, and we should be getting something similar in the SPY and rotation out of that into the small caps and Dow Jones. And wow, the Dow Jones. Let's talk about the Dow Jones as well. The Dow Jones is absolutely popping off here, like I said, looking to be impulsing out in a third wave, 3 of 3 moment. So very bullish. Much more upside coming for this one as well. And again, it may seem unrealistic, but the Dow Jones has so much more upside. I believe the Dow Jones can reach something like 480, 470. So it's got way more upside. It's got another 15, 20% left to go. Okay. Obviously, it's extended right now, but the things that are extended can remain extended for a fair bit before they finally find their top and then top out. So right now we continue to erase divergence. So things are really bullish, and I don't think they're coming to an end just yet. All right, let's continue on. We'll take a look at some more. So the triple Qs, I'm looking for either a smaller pullback or a larger pullback. So right now we didn't get this dip here. You know, actually, did we? No, we didn't get this dip. We didn't end up getting this dip here. So I should say the wave 4 ended right there. Now we'll be looking to see if we can get a dip down here. I'll just keep this box because I'll just reuse it. But ultimately, this B wave should be finished. And if you are going to pull back down, then your immediate target is right here, actually, at 488 and 480. So that's your target right there for the triple Qs as a dip buy opportunity. To after that, you should make another high. But if it wants to get a larger pullback and erase this whole 5th wave, you know, I wouldn't be surprised either. But the TQQQ is something I'm already out of, so that's a trade we already took profits on, and we're looking for other opportunities. Let's take a look at some individual names here. So not too surprising, the triple Qs aren't doing too much, and we're starting to see a little bit of weakness here. Not just in like the Amazon, but we're seeing some weakness in Meta. Not the small caps, the semiconductors, the small caps are performing very well. And NVDA is actually topping out here, in my opinion, either in a B wave to pull back in this wave 4. And this should be a great dip buy opportunity for us to go long for another all-time high afterwards. So again, this is very close to finishing up a major cycle. I think it's either topping out right now or it's got one more leg up and then it's finished. But either way, it's not a bad trade to try and short this now. But again, you just know when the semis are strong, there's nothing wrong. So let's actually take a look at the SMH. I think the SMH was a little bit weak today, but it kind of held their own in the end. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I think that the SMH is a dip buy down here. All right. Let me take a look. Let's see here. What else we got? Let's take a look at ROKU. So ROKU, for those of you who are still in ROKU, this looks like it's trying to either impulse out already. This wave 2 is done, or it's still in its wave 1. So if wave 1 is going here, then you got your 3, Oh, you could actually be extending the third wave. If this is going to extend higher, let me just check the smaller time frames. No, well, actually this looks like it's finishing up a fifth wave. So something like this. So at any moment, this fifth wave should be done unless you erase divergence. Then the one is in. Then the one is in. Then you pull back. Wave 2. Maybe we pull back on earnings, and it's a dip buy for us to go higher afterwards. So who knows? Let's take a look. What else we got here? AMD hit my sell area. I tried to play some options on this one. I was thinking maybe one more high, but overall it kind of melted down today. Had to take some losses, unfortunately, on the Tesla call options. But again, you win some, you lose some. Overall, the swing trade portfolio is performing amazingly. So I'm just going to continue to look for more opportunities there for the members. And if you guys are enjoying it, feel free to leave some likes in the description if you are some of the members inside. You guys can let people know how we're doing. I'm still working on that website to show the historical performance so we can get some more members in there. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. Let me see. Let's talk about SMCI. Okay, we'll cover SMCI. SMCI kind of pulled back down as well. It needs to be either it's doing a flat, right, in this wave 2, or this is finished, right, and it's going to take off at any moment. So I'd like to see one more low, and then you take off, but I could be wrong, and then a big impulse higher. This means the SMA should go much higher. I believe SMCI is inside the IWM, but it's a semi, so it's going to follow the semis, not really the small caps. All right. Let's see here. We'll take a look at Mara. So a lot of these crypto stocks are performing very well now. So Mara is actually blowing up towards the upside, getting a very big day, 8% here, and it should continue higher inside of this X wave. Now we'll know if this is an initial impulse or if it needs one more low after we take out if we take out this peak. If we don't, it's just a bigger corrective move for us to go much lower. Okay, so let me see if we can get a target here for you guys. We gotta see if we can get a more accurate target. Let's see. Oops, excuse me. So we are actually entering the sell area right now. We are already inside the sell area, but I don't know if shorting Bitcoin is a wise idea right now. Because Bitcoin is pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish, and it could continue to see more upside. If you guys are following me on my crypto channel, excuse me, I'm going to post another update tonight. But overall, Bitcoin should continue churning higher and possibly make another all-time high shortly. Okay, all right. So that is basically it. We also have the GDXU that's performing very well. Again, that one's making another high today. We're up over 40% on this position. And I'm going to be looking to get into another trade here, post it inside the Discord. But for now, I'm just very happy sitting inside massive gains and letting it ride up. So enjoy the portfolio, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.